What's up guys, for today's video we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. So the 2018 Malibu comes with two available engines, the 2.0 liter turbo that makes 250 horsepower and the 1.5 liter turbo that's on this tester that makes 160 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque and can go up to 27 city and 36 on the highway. So on the driver door you have the window control. The driver's side window is fully automatic. Right above it you have the mirror controls. You also have the door handle with lock and unlock. You have a small bottle storage right here and the Bose speaker. And on the left hand side steering wheel you have your automatic light control. And on the steering wheel you have leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise control, you have your lane keep assist and your collision alert. And on the right hand side, you have your controls for the infotainment system and voice commands.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like this. Call 555-1212. To quickly change speech session
And on the screen, you have your speed, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy. You also have your audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have your units, information page, speed warning. Right along the center console, you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below it, you have the radio controls and the hazards. Right here, you have your climate controls. You also have 2 USBs, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet, and a phone storage. Right behind it, you have your traction control and parking assist. And right here, you have 2 cup holders and the 6-speed automatic transmission, which has backup camera with guidance lights and a wireless charging. And on the screen, you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar navigation, options. You have your time and date, rear seat reminder, language, valet mode. You have teen driver, radio, vehicle, and Bluetooth. You also have text, OnStar, and shop. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $25,220. They added the leather package, which includes leather seating, driver and front passenger heated seats, and the Bose premium speaker. They also added the sun and wheel package, which includes the power sunroof, the 18-inch wheels, the universal home remote, and they also added the driver confident package, which have all the safety features such as forward collision alert and rear cross traffic alert. And they also added the convenient and technology package, which includes the remote vehicle start, and lastly they added the Cajun red tint coat color, which all comes up to $32,170. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.